The single best way to see a context, webinar activity, and engagement in one view is contrast engagement timeline. It summarizes all of the engagement, views, registrations that they have ever done for your webinars. What you can, for example, see here on the contact, we have it right there. And what's cool is that I can see all of the webinars that Olga has registered to, and I can also click into their engagement, right? So I can see all of the poll answers that she has given. I can see chat messages that she has sent. This is super powerful for especially sales teams because it enables them to personalize their follow-up right after the webinar is over. In this video, I will show you how it's set up. All right, contrast engagement timeline is simply a card that you add on top of a view in HubSpot, in this case, the contact view. So the only thing that you need to do is go to a contact, any contact will do in HubSpot. Right here, I'm on Olga, she's my colleague, and I need to be on the overview page. And then what I'm gonna do is adjust the contact layout essentially. Okay, you do that by clicking on customize, then you go into the default view. You might have a different view, right? So just select the view that you're currently using. And then right here, you see essentially how that layout is made up out of cards, okay? This is a little tricky. I haven't found a better way to do it, but you scroll to the bottom and then you find here the add card component. Here we go into card library and then we type in contrast. And then you see contrast engagement timeline, okay? You can only do this when, of course, you have installed contrast. So if you haven't installed contrast yet, please install contrast in combination with the HubSpot integration. You can do it right from the contrast admin dashboard. It's one click to connect. Add the card right there. We can close this modal, and then the card should be here. The drag and drop doesn't always work in HubSpot, so let's see if it does today. Yes, it does. Woo. So what I recommend you to do is to go all the way to the top. And of course, you can save and exit it. Okay. Now, right here, you can immediately see that it's pulling data. And right here, we have the data for Olga. That's all there is to the engagement timeline.